Medline Safety Needle has a special safety cap to protect the needle tip. After activation, 4 locking points can totally lock the needle tip to completely avoid reuse and achieve self-destroy, which eliminates the blood cross infection caused by accidental puncture injury. Features of Medline Safety Syringe: 1. Fixed needle tip orientation is better for operation by nurses. 2. Special needle tip bevel design reduces patient's painness. 3. UV glue meets European and American environmental protection requirements. 4. 4 locking points ensure that needle tip being completely locked. 5. Intelligent automatic assembly production line ensures stable quality and high production capacity. 6. Easy activation by thumb or gently press the safety clip on the table. 7. Automatic spring-back clip. Smaller appearance are special and better than others. Safety clip type syringe license is the first registered in China. In addition, Medline has developed skin test safety syringe, safety retractable syringe, and vaccine use safety retractable syringe.